Welcome to our tutorial on how to find an extension description in Chrome. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to locate the description of an extension on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome by clicking on its icon. Step 2. Look for the More button at the top right corner of your browser window. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Hover your cursor over Extensions in the menu. This will open a submenu. Step 4. From the submenu, select Manage Extensions. You will be taken to a page where you can see all your installed extensions. Step 5. Find the extension you're interested in and click on Details next to it. This will open the Extensions Details page. Step 6. On the top section of the Details page, you will find the description of the extension. This will provide you with information about the extension's features and functionality. And there you have it. You've successfully found the extension description in Chrome. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy browsing!